Hello everybody, I'm Holly and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I'm doing okay. I have a box for you and it is called Until Midnight. That's what it's called. And this box is an awesome monthly subscription box for the paranormal romance readers and trinketeers. Now I did this box I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago, I think, and it was the very first box ever. And I recall doing one of the very first videos for this box. And I recall questioning this box on what in the heck was this box about? And I recall when I did the video, I do recall saying, I don't really understand this box. I did give a very honest review about this box. So I'm crossing my fingers and I have high hopes for this box because I love to watch boxes grow and blossom and bloom into the most amazing boxes ever, because I believe that when boxes start, they may not be the best ever, but I know some of these boxes have the best potential in the world, and I think that they all have to start somewhere, and that is why they send these boxes to some of us YouTubers so that they can get our opinion and see what we think. Then they tweak them and they send them to us again to see what we think again and see, maybe, just maybe, it is an awesome box now and I might fall in love with it. So let us learn just a little bit about it again and we'll just see how awesome this box is. So this box is for paranormal romance readers and trinketeers, like I said, and it is $29 a month. They ship on the 17th of each month, and you'll be emailed when your box is shipping out so that you'll know exactly when you'll receive your box. And this box ships worldwide from the United States, and it says, do you crave the dark side of romance and love to delve into a world of sexy heroes and taboo circumstances? Then come join us. Until Midnight is a subscription box made just for you, exclusively for the paranormal romance readers. A devilishly good paranormal romance book, unique trinkets, exclusive treats only from the Natural Candy Store. You could get jewelry, chocolate, and candy, paranormal romance novel, bookmarks, and tea. So let's open this box up. This is what the box looks like when you get it. Now it does come in a United States Postal Service box. It does not show up on your doorstep like this. It comes in a white box and it says USPS on it. I did take it out of that box for video shooting purposes, but this box is so much more prettier than that box. So I wanted you to see this box instead. This box is much more beautiful than the other box. And there is, this box is beautiful. I like the colors of this box. It does give a very dark feel to it. I love it. And then there's the moon. It's very beautiful. Okay, so I hear something in there rattling. So let's open this up. And there is their name of their box again. Let's see. Oh, I see something. Oh, it's a necklace? Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Whoa. Vanilla Rose Moon Milk. It's a recipe for Vanilla Rose Moon Milk, it says. And that is a very pretty necklace. Let's take that off of there. But anyway, there's the necklace that is, or what, I'm not sure what that is, but we will take that off of there. Let's get that. It's taped to the box, so we're going to take that off of there very quickly. Get off of there. Okay. It appears to be a stone of sorts. I'm not entirely, it looks like a blue stone maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that is a blue or a black stone. So we're going to set that down there for a moment. And then this is, this is, I'm trying to see if there is a, no, there's not a card in here. I thought there would be a card. No card in here. Okay. All right. Well, there's not a card in here, so this is what is in the box. That is a recipe, and it says ingredients, instructions. Homemade almond or walnut milk is preferred but not required. Different brands will be more or less chunky, but cherry juice does not curdle the milk. I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, let's look in here and see. Latoya Delbridge. Invisible things are the only realities. Edgar Allan Poe. Subscription box for paranormal romance lovers. And there's her card. And that's the back. And that is the curator of this box. And then this, oh, this is a very nice bookmark. I like that. The Court of Dreams. And there is Until Midnight, Sin and Chocolate by K.F. Breen. And that is the name of our book this month. That is a very nice bookmark. I do like that. And this is Candlelit Desserts and Rockhound Soaps. Jennifer Cox. That must be something in the box, must be. Thank you, the Court of Dreams. Thank you for shopping with us, and we hope to hear from you again. I don't know. And that's the back of it. Okay. Candlelit Desserts, handmade candles and soaps. And there's that. I don't know what this is. I'm not sure if it's a candle. It smells good. Maybe it says on the website, maybe? Let me see. I'm gonna check on the website and see if that says what it is. Nope, it does not say. Well, it does not say, so I'm not entirely sure what this is, but it says candle-lit desserts, handmade candles, and soaps on the back. But it just does not say what it is. So I'm not really sure if it's a candle or if it's a soap. I don't know. I don't know. It's cute, but I'm not sure if it's a soap or, well, there's no wick, so maybe it's a soap. Okay, and then there's just a book. And that's it. Okay, so Sin and Chocolate by K.F. Breen. That is our book. And it says, some people are ordained for greatness. Those people usually have a lot of drama in their life. Drama I happily do without. I live in a forgotten corner of nowhere for a reason. There is safety in anonymity. I have enough problems just trying to get by. But when Kyrian, a sinfully sexy demigod at the pinnacle of power, crashes into my life, suddenly my whole world is turned upside down. He's harboring a dark and deadly secret, one that could destroy all he holds dear. Hay thinks I'm the key to his salvation, and he wants me to help him claim vengeance. He also wants me with a passion that burns my body from the inside out. To ignore him is impossible, but to give in, even for a night, could drag me into danger with him. This is drama I might not escape alive. Okay. So that is my Until Midnight box. Well, I do like this box better than I liked the first box that I ever received. I still get thrown off a little bit by the not having the content card in here, but I mean, I kind of know. I mean, it's what's in here. It's kind of self-explanatory. I do like this box. It's a nice box. So the book seems pretty interesting. I am a little confused as to what this is. I'm not so sure it's a soap. I don't think it's a candle because there's no wick, so I'm pretty sure it's a soap. I'm pretty sure it's a soap. But I mean, it is a cute little box. I don't really understand the recipe. I don't get that part, but I mean, it is a cute little box. So I mean, if you would like to get your own Until Midnight box and you enjoy paranormal romance books, I will leave the link below so you can get your own box. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel and you enjoy subscription unboxings, which I do a whole lot of them, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button right over there. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what an awesome job you think I'm doing. And don't forget how much I appreciate each and every single one of you. And don't forget to share this video and let everybody know about this wonderful box. And I will see you all in my next video real soon. Alright guys, and don't forget to check out all of my other videos that I have provided for you right here, and here. And I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.